The process starts with the assembly of track frames in the plant. After that, swing circle is mounted. Then, the final drive and idler are installed. After that, the main valves are attached. At this stage, the hydraulic oil tank, engine and other parts are installed. Here we can see the docking system. After that, swing machinery and boom are mounted. Here, the arm is applied and counterweight is attached. And here, the excavator is inspected by mechanical performance inspection. Then, it is inspected for shipment. Finally, the excavator is ready to be delivered.